Guys, good day. This is Kuya Chong ug karon ang atong isgutan is kining atong gitawag og analogy. So English ni sa English grade 7 ug napon niya sa ubang grade no. Probably napon niya. Okay, so unsa man ang analogy di ay? So it show connection and comparison between unlike things. So naghatag siya og connection og comparison sa duha ka dili pareha nga mga butang unlike things, di ba? So, naay duha ka butang nga di pareha, then ato sila himuan og connection. Okay mo na analogy. Or pair of terms that has common relationship. So, mga pares sa terms, mga pares sa words nga naay common nga relationship. So, ang common nila is ang ilang relationship. Okay? Dili pare-pareha, dili kinahanglan nga pare-pareha ang mga words as long as common ang relationship. Okay, example. So, makisugot ang relationship, atong example is gugma. For example, Catherine is to Daniel as Liza is to Enrique. So, ang pagbasa is Catherine is to. Kaning semicolon sa is to. Is to Daniel as. So, ang kining duha ka semicolon colon, buing na. This is as. Liza is to Enrique. Is to gyapon ni. Same ra na ni siya. Okay? So, Catherine is to Daniel as Liza is to Enrique. Okay? So, si Catherine, si Daniel, si Liza, si Enrique, dili sila pare-parehan nga mga tao. Di ba? Kaya lain mo na si Catherine, lain na si Daniel. Lain si Liza, lain si Enrique. Pero, si Catherine ug si Daniel, unsa sila relationship? Uyab. Same pod nga si Liza ug si Enrique, uyab pod. Di ba? So, that is analogy. Pareha ang ilang relationship. Ang relationship ni Catherine ug Daniel, uyab. Ang relationship ni Liza ug ni Enrique, uyab pod. Okay? Or let's say love team. Okay. Ang relationship ni Catherine ug Daniel, love team. Si Liza pod ug si Enrique, love team pod. So, that is analogy. Okay? Pair of terms that has common relationship. Okay? Okay, so, kung may isgot relationship, naapod tay types or mga relationship, mga klase sa relationship sa analogy. Okay? Mauni sila, we have part to whole, cause and effect, person to situation, synonym, antonym, geography, and time. So, ato nang usa-usahon karon. Okay? Una tani part to whole. One term is part of the other. So, ang usa ka term, partira sa ijang partner. For example, eyes is to face or are to face kay plural man ang eyes kay na may daghan man duha man, di ba? Eyes are to face. Ngano man kaha? Kay si eyes part ra ni face, di ba? Mo na ijang relationship. Si eyes part ra ni face, di ba? Fingers are to hand. Di ba? Si fingers part ra ni hand. Ang mga tudlo part ra ni hand, that is part to whole. One term is part of the other. Parte to whole, kinatibuk-an. Okay, that is part to whole. Next is cause and effect. So, nasiyangan, one term is the result of the other. Na ay ang usa ka term is cause, hinungdan, ang usa ka term is effect or ang resulta. For example, tired is to sleep. Rain is to flood. Tired, kapoy, mo nang natog. Rain, miuwan, maunang mi baha. Cause, effect. Okay? Next is person to situation. One term is the workplace of the other. Pasabot, ang usa ka term, trabahuan sa usa ka term. So, na example, police is to police station. Doctor is to hospital. Sa pamilain. Teacher is to school. Priest is to church. Murag ina na. Ang usa is ang trabaho, ang usa is ang trabahuan. Okay? Okay. Next is synonym. So both term have the same meaning. So ang ijang partner, ang duha ka term nga nagpares is same ra ang meaning. For example, little is to small. Si little ug si small pareha ra nag-meaning, di ba? Okay? Big is to huge. Si big ug si huge pareha ra pong meaning, di ba? That is synonym nga relationship. Okay? Next is antonym. So, binali ni synonym. So, kung si synonym pariha, si antonym binali. Sabot, ang duha ka pair nga word magkasalungat. Sabot, binali kibali. For example, hot is to cold. Init is to bugnaw. Fast is to slow. Paspas, hinay. Okay? That is antonym, binali. Next is geography. Terms can be situated in the other. Okay? So, ang usa ka term nahimutang na locate sa usa ka term sa isang partner kibali. Remember this, basta geography nga ni maghisgot na gani na og or basta geography maghisgot na og location, maghisgot na og lugar. Okay? Maghisgot na gani lugar, automatic, that is geography. Okay, example. Manila is to Philippines. Diba si Manila na-locate ni Philippines. Cebu is to Visayas. Si Cebu na-locate ni Visayas. Diba? That is geography. Okay? Next is time. So, kung time pod, speak of time element. Papasabot, maghisgot na gani og oras, panahon, kanang unsa ba ni? Oras, panahon, mga panghitabo. That is time nga relationship. For example, minutes is to hour. Day is to night, di ba? So, mga oras, mga panahon. Okay. Next, so let's try. Musuway ta og examples. Okay, so ang atong is identify the relationship and fill in the blanks with the most appropriate word. But pasabot, atong i-identify unsay relationship, then atong ipilion og unsa ang word nga ijang appropriate sa blank. For example, hot is to cold. So, hot, init is to bugnaw. Unsa ila relationship? That is, unsa man? Init, bugnaw. That is, binali. But pasabot, antonyms. So, buot pasabot, ang dinhi pod sa pikas, dinhing dapita, dapat antonyms po, dapat binali pod. Diya kay na may given nga small. Unsa may binali ni small? Okay, letter C or big. So, big. Hot is to cold as big is to small. Next, teacher is to school as gym instructor is to blank. So, unsa ila relationship? Teacher, school, trabaho, trabahoan. That is person to situation. Okay. So, karon gym instructor. So, asa man nagtrabaho sa gym instructor? Sa gym. So, gym. Okay, next. Manila is to blank as Seoul is to South Korea. So, maghisgot og lugar, automatic, geography. Now, kung tanaw nimo ang ila relationship, si Seoul is ang capital ni South Korea. So, si Manila is capital sa Philippines. So, Philippines. Okay, next. Blank is to drink as hungry is to eat. Hungry, gutom, kaon. So that is, usama na? That is cause and effect, di ba? Kigutom mo nang may kaon. So drink. So, unsa may dapat i-satisfy sa drink? That is, saman, thirsty. Okay, so thirsty is to drink, hungry is to eat. Okay? Okay. So, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. This is Kuya Chong, himdumi nga. Kung kapuzon ka, pahaway ra. Adyo pagunong na, di ka mao. Give imong best paningkamot. Of course, mag-pray. This is Kuya Chong. Bye-bye.